Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to tell you user-friendly URL. What is user-friendly URL? User-friendly URLs are also known as clean URL or pretty URL. Are web address that are designed to be easily readable and understand by both user and search engines. These URL are structured in the way that convey that the content or purpose of the page, making it intuitive for visitor to interrupt the link. There are many keys of user-friendly URL. Explain it. The first is descriptive and meaningful. What is descriptive and meaningful? User-friendly URL use words and phrases that accurately describe the content or topic of the page. Avoid using generic terms or street of number and instead OPT for clear and relevant keywords. Example for a user-friendly URL: www.example.com. How to create user-friendly URL. It is called descriptive and meaningful. The next is separator. What is separator? Space in URL are not allowed, so user-friendly URLs often use hyphen to separate word. What is hyphens? Hyphens are preferred or for better readability, for reaction, image, and etc. What is this example? The example is www.example.product review smartphone 2024. The next is short and concise. What is short and concise? I can explain what is short and concise. User-friendly URL are generally short and concise while still conveying the main ideas of pics, photos, and etc. The next is avoid unnecessary parameter or complex street that may confuse the user. That for confused user, example, their example has www.example.com contact. It is called short and concise. That's clear. The next point is evidence for special characters. What is evidence? User-friendly URL minimize the use for special character symbols of known characters. Audience for special characters. Audience. What is audience? Stick to letters, number, hyphens, and slash. Example: www.example.com blog top 10 tips for web design. It is called a audience of special characters. The next is lowercase letter. What is lowercase letter? URL are case sensitive and to ensure consistency. Okay, next. User-friendly URL are lowercase letter. These help prevent issue with duplicate content case by variation in letter case. The next is what is the example of lowercase letter? The example of lowercase letter is www.example.com news latest update. This is called a lowercase letter. The next is readability of humans. User-friendly URL are graphed with human in minds. They are easy to users to remember types of shares. The next is they contribute to the positive user experience and can potentially improve click-through rates. For example, hypers www.example.com, about us, teams and member. The next is user-friendly URL are not only enhance the user's experience but also have CEO benefits. CEO benefits. The next is search engines may favor URL that are clear, relevant and keywords rich. Accidentally, intentionally, user-friend URL are more likely to by click on and shared by users, contributing to overall websites. The next is visibility and engagement experience but also have CEO benefits. Search engines may favor URL that are clear, relevant and keyword rich. Unconditionally, user-friendly URL more likely to be clicked on the shared by the users, contributing to overall website. That's the topic, and thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe.